Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we are looking at something that is completely transforming one of the most, universally frustrating experiences in the professional world. Yep, we're talking about the job hunt. We're going to be exploring TalentCircuit AI. It's this modular, agentic recruiting intelligence system, and honestly, it represents a massive leap forward into human-centered AI recruiting reimagined. By leveraging the power of advanced AI agents, all built on the really robust infrastructure of Alibaba Cloud, this platform is fundamentally changing how we evaluate candidates. So forget everything you know about static paper trails because we are moving away from those keyword-stuffed documents to living, breathing evaluations of true potential.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. First, the broken recruiting model. 2, enter TalentCircuit AI. 3, the AI agent layer. 4, built on Alibaba Cloud. And finally, number 5, a human-centered future.
Section 1, the broken recruiting model, why keyword matching fails. To really understand the solution here, we first need to look at the problem, right? Traditionally, the whole system relies on resumes and keyword matching. And I mean, we've all been there. You spend hours crafting the literal perfect PDF only to get automatically rejected by some applicant tracking system just because you use the word collaborated instead of, synergized. It's incredibly frustrating, it's totally static, and frankly, it doesn't tell a recruiter what you can actually do. But the alternative we're looking at is an interactive, capability-driven experience. Instead of looking backward at a piece of paper, we're looking forward at real-time execution.
Section 2, enter TalentCircuit AI, reimagining the candidate experience.
So the crucial point here is the introduction of dynamic skills circuits. This is literally the cornerstone of TalentCircuit AI. Instead of just handing in a static resume, candidates are presented with role-specific challenges that are generated entirely on demand. Imagine a live coding puzzle if you're a software developer, or maybe a simulated angry client email if you're a customer service rep. And as you work through these scenarios, AI agents evaluate your performance right there in real time. It's a completely active demonstration of your skill rather than just a passive list of your past experiences. And this approach, it offers massive benefits for everyone involved. For job seekers, there's a candidate portal that provides a truly human-centered experience with completely transparent feedback. Like you actually know exactly how you did and why. Meanwhile, the hiring team gets this recruiter dashboard packed with actionable analytics. Because the AI agents actively evaluate the candidates, the system does this automated shortlisting, powered by something called capability graphing. Essentially, it maps out a candidate's proven skills like a constellation, which takes all that subjective guesswork out of the initial screening phase entirely.
Section 3, the AI agent layer, intelligence under the hood.
All right, let's peek under the hood for a second, because the intelligence running these skill circuits operates in 3 really fascinating steps. First up, the Cloud Max API drives the challenge generation engine. That's what creates those totally unique on-demand scenarios tailored to the job. Next, LangChain agents step in as the orchestrators. They handle all the complex scoring and provide that transparent feedback we were just talking about. And finally, based on that live interaction, the system builds a comprehensive capability graph for the recruiter. It's basically this seamless relay race between specialized AI systems doing exactly what they do best. And this brilliantly illustrates the modular tech stack that makes the magic possible. It maintains a really clean separation of concerns. Over on the front end, you have a highly responsive interface built with Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS to keep the candidate experience super smooth. On the back end, you've got fast, robust microservices powered by FastAPI, Express, and Python. And sitting right at the core is the intelligence layer, utilizing those LangChain agents and Cloud. Look, this isn't just your basic web app. It's a modern architecture designed specifically to handle real-time, heavy-lifting AI workloads without missing a single beat or causing any lag for the applicant.
Section 4, built on Alibaba Cloud, enterprise-grade infrastructure.
Now, an architecture that advanced requires a very specific type of environment to run smoothly, which brings us to its cloud-native deployment on Alibaba Cloud. Just look at the heavy-hitting infrastructure we've got here. You have Elastic Compute Service, or ECS, handling all the core services. But crucially, and this is big because AI workloads can be incredibly bursty and unpredictable, it utilizes Alibaba Cloud's Serverless Kubernetes, or ASK, to auto-scale those agent workloads instantly. Then Function Compute runs the challenge generation engine, An API gateway handles all the routing, rate limiting, and security, and the data is reliably stored across OSS and a MySQL database. Having this highly scalable environment is absolutely mandatory. I mean, you simply cannot have a candidate experiencing lag while an AI agent tries to score a live skill circuit.
And what I absolutely love about this is that it proves it isn't just some theoretical whiteboarding exercise. TalentCircuit AI has a live deployment right now on Alibaba Cloud ECS. The documentation even gives us the specific instance ID, you can see it ends in 64NA, and the public IP address. It's a tangible, fully functioning system running on enterprise-grade infrastructure right this very second.
Of course, when you are dealing with sensitive human resources data, enterprise-grade security is definitely not optional. For security and identity, the system relies heavily on Alibaba Cloud RAM for strict role-based access control alongside encrypted secrets and full audit logging. On the deployment side of things, standard DevOps tools like Docker and GitHub Actions ensure the whole platform remains stable and can be easily updated. Basically, it guarantees the platform isn't just highly intelligent, but incredibly secure and built from the ground up to protect applicant data.
Section 5. A human-centered future. The impact of agentic intelligence.
Now, what's really interesting here is how it brings us back to the big picture. Let's zoom back out from the technical microservices for a moment. This core mission perfectly captures everything we've just explored. TalentCircuit AI transforms hiring into an interactive, capability-driven experience. That right there is the fundamental shift. We are using incredibly advanced, multi-agent AI architecture and super scalable cloud compute not to replace human judgment, but to actually strip away the biases and the blind spots of traditional keyword matching. It brings the focus right back to a human-centered hiring process where your actual capabilities do the talking.
Which leaves us with this final, kind of provocative thought to consider. We've seen how dynamic skill circuits and AI agents can provide these totally transparent, actionable insights powered by Alibaba Cloud. So if AI can reliably evaluate a candidate's true capability in real time, right in front of our eyes, is it finally time we retire the traditional resume for good? Just think about what that would mean for the future of your own career or your own hiring practices. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning and keep questioning the status quo.